कहाँ से तीर छूटता है और जैसे एकदम स्विफ्टली निकलता है या बंदूक से गोली, उसी टाइप की ये फिल्म है।
कबीर खान, आई थिंक ही हैज डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ सेंसिबिलिटीज।
उसके लिए मैं हूँ ना, एक इतनी सेंसिबल फिल्म नहीं बनाने के लिए। तो हमारा तो एकदम ट्रिप तो बम्बर ही निकला ना। हम गए वहाँ पर और एक्शन ही एक्शन करके आए, रोमांस करने का तो मौका ही नहीं मिला वहाँ पर।
Kabir was is a really nice person.
तीन रेली नहीं, एक रेली नाइस है।
एक? Okay. So Kabir is a really nice person.
ये तो सिर्फ प्रोमो भैया, इसके बाद अब बहुत और कुछ आने वाला है। लवली, सुपर।
Rarely it happens that a film carries such a tremendous hype as Ek Tha Tiger is doing right now, and we have with us Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif with us. A huge pleasure to have you on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Just enjoying all the tremendous hype that the film is carrying since the first teaser came out. The response has been tremendous. It's outstanding.
Start.
Me? No, okay. It's been passed to me. Yeah, I remember seeing the first trailer, where it just kind of showed Salman's character and the world of what the film is. And I know some people didn't know how to react to it initially, but I think from there only the audience just got excited about the film. They felt it was something slightly different, but still had all the kind of, ingredients of what they wanted from, or what they were expecting from a film. Then, of course, when the theatrical trailer released, that response, Salman right away had really liked it. I remember I was saying that, oh, what about the shot and that shot? Salman said, no, it's very good. Yeah, everybody, I think the response to that was phenomenal. It was amazing.
In fact, since your last few films, a certain thing has been associated with Salman Khan, that you have become like a mass blockbuster star in many ways. But when this promo came out and you're having all these locales and everything as well, that entire element of that, इसके अंदर कुछ different है, apart from the mass element.
First of all, ये मैं mass और ये class के अंदर बिल्कुल believe नहीं करता हूँ. मैं एक चीज़ में मैं believe करता हूँ कि either you can afford a multiplex theater or you can't afford a multiplex theater. And now most of the multiplex people are going to single screen theaters for no rhyme or reason to watch a film when they can very well afford a multiplex theater to go and watch the film. That's it. Everybody is the same. Everybody is equal. किसी के पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे होते हैं. They want go to environment where they can go with their families and watch a film. Some people want to go with their friends and stuff like that to a place where they can have lots of fun, guy kind of fun, So there are two of these things. एक मल्टीप्लेक्स हो गया और एक सिंगल स्क्रीन हो गया.
मल्टीप्लेक्सेस इवन स्मॉलर टाउन्स में बहुत से आज के टाइम में आ चुके हैं, एंड द रिस्पांस आई थिंक इन द इंटीरियर्स हैज बीन ट्रेमेंडस. लास्ट 5 years देयर इज अ टोटल शिफ्ट.
मुझे ये सेग्रीगेशन जो करते हैं कि एक मल्टीप्लेक्स ऑडियंस है.
मेरे कहने का मुराद बेसिकली ये था, जैसे कबीर खान, आई थिंक ही हैज डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ सेंसिबिलिटीज. जो आपने डायरेक्टर्स साथ में आपने काम किया, डिफरेंट सेंसिबिलिटीज. जी,
उसके लिए मैं हूँ ना, एक इतनी सेंसिबल फिल्म नहीं बनाने के लिए.
No, I'm talking about sensibility in the sense that he has a certain point of view as well, and I think you've shot in Iraq.
जैसे कि आप प्रोमो की बात करते हैं, जो चीज़ फट से दिख जाती है, एक फर्स्ट ग्लांस के अंदर अच्छी दिखती है ना, वो चले ही चले.
सही बात.
ये जो फर्स्ट प्रोमो जो काटा गया था, when I saw it, I was superb. और ये नहीं कि जितना प्रोमो के अंदर है उतना ही पिक्चर के अंदर है. वो प्रोमो से आपको पता चल जाता है कि ये तो सिर्फ प्रोमो है भैया, इसके बाद अब बहुत और कुछ आने वाला है.
You've shot in places like Cuba and Iraq and I think Dublin. Cuba especially, no one has shot over there.
All these locales look, really interesting on screen. They're, beautiful places to go, for your honeymoon or with your family, and not to go and shoot action in Turkey and in Mardin and action in Cuba or in Dublin. तो हमारा तो एकदम ट्रिप तो बम्बर ही निकला ना. हम गए वहाँ पर और एक्शन ही एक्शन करके आए, रोमांस करने का तो मौका ही नहीं मिला वहाँ पर.
इवन इराक में भी आपने शूट किया, जो कि आई थिंक इराक के बॉर्डर पे.
हाँ, इराक के बॉर्डर पे वही मारदिन. तो that was good.
how was the experience for you? Your last film, Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, I think your performance was very nice. As an actress, you've been coming into your own. So what do we see from Katrina Kaif in Ek Tha Tiger? Even New York, I think you had a very fine performance from Kabir Khan to get out. So
Don't be modest, I'm telling you.
Me?
Don't be modest.
Don't be modest, no?
She's the best thing in the film. She's outstanding in the film.
Outstanding. Yeah. Yeah, Kabir was is a really, 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 really nice person.
तीन really नहीं, एक really nice है.
Okay. So Kabir is a really nice person.
But he's been saying wonderful things about you, like only tiger in the industry.
Because yeah.
You're not letting me answer my question.
Please.
I'm like,
Yeah. He's really, 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 really nice. Kabir is really nice.
actually nice.
Nice, just nice. And no, New York was a really good film. I thought he did a great job, and I had a really good time. So when he told me about Tiger, I was right away extremely excited, and I kind of had said yes to it at that time. So yeah, I mean, with this film, what you're saying, what can one expect? I mean, you do your work as an actor. You do it as well as you can, and then hope that the audiences like it.
जहाँ तक कबीर खान की बात है, मैं आपको ये बात बता दूँ कि कबीर खान का करियर स्टार्ट होता है इस फिल्म से.
क्या बात?
टाइगर से. वो उन्होंने जो पिक्चरें बनाई हैं पहले अच्छी बनाई होंगी, बहुत अच्छी बनाई होंगी. कंपेयर टू दिस फिल्म देयर नथिंग. तो उनका करियर ग्राफ यहाँ से शुरू होता. अब प्रॉब्लम तो उनको ये होगी कि इसके बाद वो क्या बनाए.
Salim Saab apparently has liked the film a lot.
He's liked the film a lot, yeah.
The kind of experience that he has, it means a lot. Okay, in terms of even the way, technically the film is looking very nice. The way it's shot, I think is brilliant. The action apne aap se aapne kiya hai, maximum of it. The entire, I think technically it's looking brilliant as well in terms of the camera work and everything.
It's a very well shot film. It's a very slick film. Linear film है. एक दिशा में जाती है, जैसे कि कमां से तीर छूटता है और जैसे एकदम स्विफ्टली निकलता है या बंदूक से गोली, उसी टाइप की ये फिल्म है जो एक बार छूटती है वो एकदम टारगेट बुल्सआई में जाके हिट करती है.
This entire controversy about that it's anti-Pakistan in any way whatsoever, and you have got a tremendous fan following in Pakistan, and Kabir has been repeatedly just clarifying on that as well. Now the question is that is it releasing in Pakistan, because you have a phenomenal, even Katrina has a tremendous fan following.
अब जब ये पिक्चर सेंसर होगी तब ये वो डिसाइड करेंगे.
शायद आज या कल में मेरे ख्याल से करने वाले.
बैन लग गया.
आज बैठने वाले थे उसके सेंसर में जी पाकिस्तान में.
तो जब वो पिक्चर देखेंगे वो डिसाइड करेंगे. अगर उनको ऐसा लगता है कि इस फिल्म में इतना भी उनके खिलाफ कुछ है तो पिक्चर बेशक ना रिलीज़ करें. वहाँ पर ये दावा है हमारा. फिल्म बनाई है हम लोग ने यार. ये कोई किसी हर एक फैंस को, जो हमारे फैंस चाहने वाले हैं, यहाँ के हैं वहाँ के हैं, दुनिया भर में है, उनके लिए एक फ़िल्म बनाई. एक प्यार मोहब्बत की कहानी बनाई है. इसमें ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, हालांकि रॉ एजेंट है, लेकिन ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो कि किसी दूसरे मुल्क या के ऊपर कोई नेगेटिव हमने कुछ डाला होगा. बिल्कुल ही नहीं, कतई नहीं.
The experience of playing Zoya for you, how was the entire experience? You're having some fantastic songs in the film as well.
The experience of playing Zoya, I mean, the experience of the whole film was very interesting. Yeah. I think it was a very interesting team coming together. Yash Raj, Salman's first film with Yash Raj, Kabir Khan, the way he works, the way Salman works. Me, I've known the team, so for me there was already a certain comfort level. Sure. And I liked the script. I thought it was a really interesting idea, and it's an interesting idea with the way that Kabir visualizes his films, the way he interprets it. I feel he's very, very strong aesthetically. Everything he does has a certain edge to it, a certain look about it. The film on total for me is a wonderful film. I think we're very proud of it. It's a credible film. But there are some certain sequences in the film where, according to me, I mean, it's just my opinion, according to me are some of, or maybe one of the best sequences that I've seen in the last few years. It was some pretty outstanding sequences they've done.
In fact, a colleague of mine, he just requested that एक सवाल आपसे पूछने के लिए. आपका एक जो डायलॉग है फिल्म में कि that आप रणवीर शोरी साहब बोलते हैं that जोया को पटाना ज़रूरी है मिशन के लिए and all. So could you just talk about that sequence?
I am a raw agent in the film where and I'm undercover, and I've figured out that she is that she could perhaps help me to get to my goal. Right. So that is the reason why. I tell him that उसको पटाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Actually वो कहीं ना कहीं डबल मीनिंग में भी आता है. जी. मिशन के लिए जोया को पटाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
कौन सा मिशन? हमारा मिशन या तेरा कोई और मिशन शुरू हो गया?
बकवास बनकर। और मैं खुद सिनेमा का फैन हूँ, मूवीज का फैन हूँ, मूवी बफ हूँ। आज मैं हूँ, कल कोई और होगा, मेरे से पहले कोई और था।
Going Cuba, all of us so excited. What are we gonna do? And yay! And the music and this. And Salman has got out of the airport going, doesn't this look like Marine Drive to you? Poor Kabir's face has gone like that.
मैं ये सोच के चलूँ कि 80 साल तक मैं टाइगर का किरदार अदा करूँ या रोमांस करूँ तो बेवकूफ़ी होगी। कुछ और ही निकल रहा था मुझसे।
जी मैं समझ गया।